Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this neck face massager. This is a face sculpting tool for skin rejuvenation that uses thermal triple action LED vibration for anti-aging, lifting, tightening, and sagging skin. Alright, so today we've received our face massager. This one is offered in several different colors. I did get the violet. They also offered in frosted black, pink, and pearl white. So it is a very nice machine that helps tighten up your skin. It is used for red light therapy. They have blue, green, and red. So the blue light tightens sagging skin and promotes collagen synthesis, suitable for oily and sensitive skin. So the green light promotes skin surface musculation, fights edema, blackheads, and calms the skin. And the red one promotes blood circulation, reduces wrinkles and fine lines, rejuvenates skins for a radiant and glowing complex. So inside the box you do get a user manual. This basically just tells you what the lights and what modes they do, the function mode, effects and principles, cleaning the machine. And inside the box you also do get some accessories. So we're just going to take the massager and put it to the side. You do get a cleaning cloth that cleans the top of the machine because that part is metal. So we do get a Type-C charging cable. Unfortunately, there is no charging block in this one. Also, you do get a stand. It is not a charging stand. It's just basically a stand to set it on. You can see it's got a little cutout at the bottom so it holds it right nice in place. And on the bottom, it's just another mat so it doesn't slip around. This is just a metal thing right here. It has nothing to do with the charging. So now we got the machine itself. This is the massager. It does have a charging port at the bottom which uses a Type-C. So you can see that there's a metal thing at the top. Here is the power button. You have a little light. In order to turn it on, you got to hold it down. So that right there will turn it on. You have the colors of red, green, and blue. So you have 3 different skin types. It is really nice holding the handle. It's not too heavy. It is very convenient. This middle strip up here does warm up. So when you're using the red light, it does warm up. Not too hot to burn your face. It does warm up a little bit on the green, and it's very light on the blue. So you can see the different modes. They have red, blue, and green. This is a super nice machine. It's super lightweight. I have not even had a chance to charge it yet, but I've actually used it several times. I like to do 10 minutes to 20 minutes each color. That way my face is completely covered. So there's nothing here that is a charger. Just grab the machine itself, plug it into a Type-C, which is already included. So right now I'm just going to go add some of my serum. It works better if you use facial serum. And then I'm just going to go around my face to show you how to use it. Alright, so now I've already applied my facial serum. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So you just push that button, hold it down, it should turn on. So now we have the red light. So I'm just going to go around my cheeks, my forehead, around my chin, and around my nose. You just move it around like this. So when you actually use the red light, it actually has a little bit of warmness to it. Not too hot to burn your skin, but you can see that it is doing the red light therapy. It is super nice, especially when you're using some serum on your face. Just go around here if you want to relieve the puffiness. As you can see, I'm just doing right here my cheekbones, and you can see a little bit that it is indenting my skin, basically removing all the swelling. And it also removes wrinkles, fine lines. You also got blue for acne and the green for sensitive skin. So you just want to basically go around your face. I usually do about 10 to 20 minutes each color. You can do this about 2 times a day, 3 to 4 times a week. So now here is the blue color. So, and then there's the green. So you just go around their face, and here's the red again. I'm just going to use blue. So the blue right here helps clean out the acne. It cleans your face of any pores. You just go around your face just like you would do with the red color. And then you got the green. So if you're looking for a nice light therapy machine, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is super easy to use, and all you got to do is turn on, and then you're ready to go.